Alright, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Fast Film. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our free one first. Here's before and here's after. Before and after. Really great preset for portraits. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Alright, now we're going to go to the Creative Flow. Here we have our presets and here we have all of our profiles. We're going to be using those in one moment. With our presets, let's go down to the film emulation folders, and I'm going to go to the Kodak inspired presets. Try portrait, really nice right off the bat. There's different variations. There's portrait 400. I'm liking this portrait 800. Before and after. Look at that. I don't know if you can notice the grain there, but looks really nice. So you can give that a click. You're going to notice two things. You get an adjustable preset and you get an adjustable profile. So you can use a profile to intensify the look, and you can also adjust the preset. So I'm going to take it, let's go right at 95. If you need that extra color boost, you can use a profile, or you can use a profile independently on its own. But for today, we're going to mix it up with one of the chroma profiles. So these are really nice film fades. Let's go to the chroma film. There's like a negative, like this chrome 64. Look at the color in the sky there. It changes things to a teal color. So when we give that a click, you can adjust the profile. So there's without. It just has the preset right now. Go up. Let's go right at 41. Looks fantastic. It's a nice side by side. Here's before and here's after. Before and after. Really beautiful Lightroom preset and profile. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset named Fast Film, and I'll also put a link to the Creative Flow, which has over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles, where you can mix and match presets and profiles like we did here and come up with countless different looks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.